Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Charles Schwab. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which is a straightforward process online. Once your account is established, you'll need to fund it. You can transfer money from a bank account or another brokerage. Then, you can access Schwab's trading platforms like Street Smart Edge to place your first trades. It's important to understand the basics before you start. Charles Schwab offers several ways to trade, catering to different experience levels. For active traders, Street Smart Edge provides robust tools, real-time data, and advanced charting. If you prefer a simpler approach, the main Schwab website is excellent for basic stock and exchange-traded fund trades. For on-the-go management, the Schwab mobile app offers convenience and essential trading functions right from your phone. Once you've chosen your platform, placing a trade is the next step. You'll first select the asset you wish to trade, whether it's a stock, an exchange-traded fund, or an option. Then, decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Finally, enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell and review your order before confirming. After placing trades, effective portfolio management is crucial. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals. Charles Schwab provides extensive research tools, including analyst reports and screeners, to help you make informed decisions about future trades. Remember to diversify your holdings to manage risk effectively. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Keep learning and refining your trading strategy for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.